Is it better to serve quickly the user and create happiness, or to serve slowly, generating sadness? Imagine the user with time, money, and the taste for music. Imagine the user wants to join a concert or a festival. So he goes on internet to look for a concert or a festival, looks for flight and accommodation, but he realizes it's too expensive, so gives up. But let's rewind. Let's go back. Imagine when a data expert and a design thinking expert meet together and they decide that they want to make the user happy. First of all, what they have to do is to get into the shoes of their client. But to get into the shoes of their user, first of all, they have to remove their shoes. But we will tell in another video what that means. Once they remove their shoes and they get into the shoes of their user, they will apply design thinking, or even more precisely, a tool called disruptive innovation that will change the user experience by imagining whatever. But here we are going to limit only 3 levels of abstraction. Actually, it's 4, but for this example, we want to make it simple. Making it bigger, smaller, the opposite. Let's give an example. Let's go back to user experience. The user is looking for a concert or a festival. Step 1. Let's make it bigger. We offer thousands of festivals and concerts. No. Smaller. We offer just one concert and festival. Maybe it's not the one he likes. No. The opposite. Instead of the user looking for concert or festival, the concert or festival finds the user. So let's stay with the idea that instead of the user looking for concert or festival, the concert or festival finds the user. Action 2. Flight and accommodation. Option 1. Bigger. Thousands of flight accommodation all over the world. No. Option 2. Smaller. One flight and accommodation far away. Expensive. No. Option 3. The opposite. Instead of the user looking for flight and accommodation, best flight and accommodation will find the user at a great affordable price. Now we have already 2 ideas of doing the opposite. It's not the user who is going to look for the best offer, but the best offer to find the user. How? We will get big data experts who will look into the emotion of the user. He will look for the likes of the user, and through the likes of the user will offer exactly what the user is looking for. So every company who wants to profit now, taking advantage of the world of big data, can use design thinking to understand exactly what data they need and, based on the likes of the customer, reach exactly the target they need to find. And in this case, put all the users in the same airplane just to stay there one night. So big data applied to design thinking will help you to solve the solution. It's about the emotions of the user which will drive you. And if you enjoy this, give a like and subscribe.